Media bosses are unhappy that an inquiry into press freedom will be run by Parliament's Intelligence and Security Committee.
They are pledging to work with the government on press freedom, with a more immediate concern the journalists who could still face prosecution.
The Australian Federal Police raided journalists last month. Now media bosses are taking aim at politicians in Canberra.
The public has a right to know, and they can't really know if we can't tell them.
The government was already on the front foot, having ordered an inquiry into press freedom on Tuesday.
Since the two instances of the AFP executing search warrants in early June, there have been concerns expressed by journalists about the impact on their work and the impact on press freedom.
The immediate concern is what happens to the journalists targeted over leaks from the public service.
Our primary concern was for our journalists, and we wanted some assurance over their fate. We didn't get that today, but we have a way forward.
But media companies are also unhappy that it's the Intelligence and Security Committee running the press freedom inquiry.
We will continue to work with them on that, but it would be fair to say our concerns about that forum have not gone away.
The PJCIS has actually been part of the problem and has participated in the erosion of fundamental rights and liberties in this country for many years.
The Intelligence and Security Committee has previously approved some of the very laws being questioned now. And while there is a new committee appointed each parliament, its members have tended to focus on security, primarily ahead of personal or press freedom.
The questions about the public's right to know and media freedom are broader than just national security legislation, and that's why we consider that a parliamentary joint committee set up for this specific purpose would be a better vehicle.
Labor is pressuring the government to act.
Do you remember when Matthias Cormann said on the 10th of June the government would have more to say that week? It's been utter silence since.
And the Prime Minister will be conscious this is an issue that has managed the rare feat of uniting powerful media companies, usually at war with one another. Tom Connell, Sky News, Canberra.